Want to find your DNS settings in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Domain section in your account. Click on Domain Portfolio and select the domain you want to manage. Click on the Manage button to access the domain settings. On the Domain Overview page, look for the DNS or Name Servers option in the menu panel. Click on it and then select Change Name Servers on the next page. By default, Hostinger sets its own name servers, but you need to change them manually. Enter Name Server 3 and Name Server 4 in the required fields. Once done, click on Save to apply the changes. And that's how you can find and update your DNS settings in Hostinger. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive deal. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.